Hi! In front of me is CUBOT P50 and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this CUBOT. First of all, you need to access settings and select security section over here. Then click on screen lock. Following that, tap on the best login method for you, pattern PIN or password, and enter it. When you're ready, select next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on confirm at the bottom right corner as well. Now you need to click on one of those options to answer this question. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I will go with the last option and select done at the bottom right corner one more time. Now when I go back, turn off my screen and then turn it back on. I guess that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!